Hey, Andy here at AVPro's booth at CEDIA 2025, and we're showcasing some really exciting new products within our MXnet line of AV over IP devices. What we have here is we're showcasing what we're calling the MXnet Triple Threat, which is talking about how we have three different technologies for our MXnet AV over IP line. So we're introducing H.265 as a new technology with our USP endpoints. We have JPEG 2000 with our 1 gig Evolution 2, and then we have a zero latency solution with our 10 gig SDVoE. We're also showcasing what we're calling AVPro Flow. And AVPro Flow is our technology that allows interoperability between a 10 gig and a 1 gig system. So you can now take a 10 gig endpoint and send an H.265 stream to a USP decoder to allow this hybrid AV. So this allows you to cost down a system, create hybrid AV systems that are really tailored to the application. So for more information on MXnet, you can visit avproglobal.com.